say,
Come here and declare in council together, who announced this from the beginning, and foretold it from of old.
besides no praise other God, there is no just and saving God but me.
Turn to me and be saved, all you ends of the earth, for I am God, there is no other.
By myself I swear, uttering my just decree, and my acted above the law.
To me every knee shall bend, by me every tongue shall swear, saying, only in the Lord are justice and power.
Before me with shame shall come, all who render and war against me. And the Lord shall give the vindication and the glory of all the descendants of Israel.
Glory to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, is now, and will be forever.